Welcome to another episode of Jumpin in the Pot. I'm your host, Marsha, and I decided to bring you another tasty, quick weeknight dinner. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot. Creamy Tuscan salmon. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using. Fresh parsley chopped, white wine. I have in here salt and black pepper, crushed red pepper flakes, basil, sun-dried tomatoes, minced garlic, minced onion, heavy cream, extra virgin olive oil, unsalted butter, vegetable stock, tomato paste, Parmesan cheese, cherry tomatoes, baby spinach, and of course, the salmon. I have the salmon sitting here in lemon juice and cold water. Now let's get to making the creamy Tuscan salmon. I have a saute pan here. We're going to turn it on medium-high. And we're going to add some olive oil to the pan. While the oil is heating up, we're going to take the salmon, take it out of the cold water and lemon juice, and then we're going to add some black pepper and salt. Gonna rub it in. Gonna wait till the pan sizzles, the oil sizzling it before we put the salmon in. Hear it? Now we're going to let this saute on each side for about 5 minutes. Well, let's see if it's ready to flip over to the next side. Yes, it is. And we're going to cook it on this side for another 5 minutes. Well, I've taken the salmon out of the pan and I set it to the side. Now we're going to make the sauce. I've cleaned the pan and now I'm going to turn it on medium-high and we're going to add some olive oil. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And we're going to add the butter. the garlic, the onion, and the tomato paste. We're going to mix everything up and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Well, let's check and see how the garlic and the onions are coming along. Okay, now it's time to add the sun-dried tomatoes, the cherry tomatoes, salt and black pepper, the dried basil, some crushed red pepper flakes. If you don't like the heat, you can omit this. Now, we stir everything up and we let this saute for 5 minutes. Now, let's see if the tomatoes and the sun-dried tomatoes have sauteed up enough. And now, we're going to add the vegetable broth. Give this a stir. Add the white wine. Give that a stir. And add the heavy cream. We're going to let this simmer up together for maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Let's try some. Okay? Have all the right flavorings in it. Let's check and see if it's ready to add the other ingredients. Yes, it is. Now we're going to add the Parmesan cheese. Give that a stir. We're going to add the spinach now. We're only going to cook this until the spinach wilts up, maybe about 2 to 3 minutes. I'll cover it up, and that way it'll wilt up. Well, the spinach has wilted up now. It's time to return the salmon back to the pan. And we're going to let this cook up for about 3 to 5 minutes. There you have it. Creamy Tuscan salmon. I garnished the top with some of the fresh parsley. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.